This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. And here is an announcement. With the new Omicron variant of coronavirus causing concern, we appeal to our listeners to be vigilant and to get fully vaccinated and help others, including children between 15 and 18 years, to get vaccinated. Please continue to follow these 3 simple steps to stay safe. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-239-78046 and 1075. For Meghalaya, the helpline numbers are 14410 and 108 for emergency. And now the news in details. In Assam, all preparations have been made for the smooth conduct of by-election in Majuli Assembly constituency today. Polling began at 7 a.m. and will end at 5 p.m. A total of 3 candidates are in the fray. Majuli has a total of 1,33,000 electors. For conducting a free and fair election, live monitoring and webcasting has been arranged to monitor poll day proceedings as per ECI direction, and webcasting is being done in all the 203 polling stations. Meanwhile, today is the 7th and last phase of assembly elections in Uttar Pradesh, and the polling is from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. However, at Chakia Assembly constituency in Chandauli district, along with Robertsganj and Dudhi assembly seats in Sonbhadra district, the voting will end at 4 p.m. 54 constituencies spread over 9 districts are going to the polls in this phase. A total of 613 candidates, including 75 women, are in the fray in the 7th phase. Assembly elections have been held in Manipur, Punjab, Uttarakhand and Goa, and counting of votes in Uttar Pradesh and these 4 states will take place on the 10th of this month. Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Sarbananda Sonowal, has received the cargo vessel MV Lalbahadur Shastri, which carried food grains from Patna to Pandu Port, Guwahati via Bangladesh. Speaking on this landmark moment, Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal said the feat marked the beginning of a new age of inland water transport in Assam, which is going to provide the business community a viable, economic and ecological alternative. The motor vessel was flagged off by Sonowal from Patna's inland water terminal Gaighat on the 5th of February. The ship has travelled 2,350 kilometers across West Bengal and Bangladesh for 1 month and carried 200 metric tons of rice belonging to the Food Corporation of India. The motor vessel has opened a new gateway for connectivity through waterways in the northeastern region. Out of 43 students from Meghalaya, 41 of them have safely reached India so far from Ukraine's neighbouring countries. In a tweet, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that 4 students landed yesterday morning. 1 student was in Budapest to come back to India. I decided to stay in Ukraine in a safe location near the border with relatives. The Chief Minister thanked the Prime Minister's office and the central government for the continuous support. Meanwhile, over 2,100 Indian citizens have been brought back yesterday from Ukraine's neighbouring countries by 11 special civilian flights. Today, 8 special flights are expected to operate from Budapest, Suceava and Bucharest, bringing in more than 1,500 Indians back home. Uncertainty continues over the construction of Tetelia-Byrnihat railway project as various pressure groups in Khasi Hills of Meghalaya are still opposing the project. An official in the Northeast Frontier Railway said that during last year's meeting with pressure groups, the NFR had clearly stated that it was ready to give in writing that passenger trains would not be introduced on the Tetelia-Byrnihat route without the state government's approval. The NFR had said that only goods train would ply on this route. The second subcommittee of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Rajbhasha is on a visit to Tripura. The committee, led by veteran parliamentarian and former Union Minister Rita Bahuguna Joshi, will review the implementation of use of Rajbhasha in the central government establishments in Tripura at Agartala today. These include All India Radio, Doordarshan, Food Corporation of India, Airport Authority of India, among others. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.